This is just a quick reminder of how to use the MyMaths website. So when you put into Google search MyMaths and you click on MyMaths, this is the page that comes up. Remember that your logins details, there's two sets of login details. That was on your Google Classrooms under Streams on the 15th of April. Your general login details, Milburn and Compass 119. And then when you click on MyMaths logins, you'll get your 3 numbers, that's your user ID, and 3 letters, that's your password. So that's the 15th of April. Go back to that stream and you'll also see just above that another video that I did telling you how to use this. So we're going to put in the details. I already have the details in for Milburn, so you would type in Milburn there and then your Compass 129 there. Log in. And then this here, your portal username, that's the one with your 3 numbers and your 3 letters for your password. When you click in there, you will find out what your homework is. Complete these tasks set by your teacher. That's me. Now, when you're looking at this, this won't all be here because this is the work that I'd set for you before. And I'm going to archive that because, as you'll see, I'm doing this on Tuesday and you'll be getting it on Wednesday. So all of this won't be appearing. What will be appearing are these 2 items here and another 2 that I'm going to put up. So if we take the lists and tables first, suppose we're going to do it first. So we do lists and tables, we click on that. And then there's an instruction here for you. You've got to make sure you read that because they're not all the same. So this one says, please work through the whole lesson before going on to the online homework. And you can use a calculator for anything in this topic. So if we go on to the lesson, you'll see that a list comes up of things that are in the lesson, but the easiest thing to do is to actually just use these numbers along the side. So you click on 1, which is sorting numbers, and you follow the instructions on there. You've pressed play. Once you've used your odd numbers, if you need to look and Google what that is, you can. You put your odd numbers in here and then you press mark it. Once you've done that and you've got it correct, it will let you then go on to the next lesson. And then there's a second lesson on sorting shapes, another one on filling in a frequency table, similar things with different contexts. And I want you to go all through all of these lessons, making sure that you mark each one as you do. Once you've done that, that's the lesson finished. Once you've gone through all of these, you then go on to the online homework. And you'll see at the side of the online homework, when it comes on, how many questions there are. In this case, there are 2 questions. The first question is out of 6. The second question is out of 2. You can do the question 2 before you do question 1. It's up to you. Don't press mark it until you're sure and happy with the answer that you've got, because that is the attempt that will be sent to me. It does say no calculator, but you can use a calculator for any of these things. Now, I said about reading information. If we look at the introducing data, this is your instruction here. Please work through only lesson 9 before going on to the online homework. And then for the online homework, only do question 2. So if we go on to the lesson, only do lesson 9. So all you're going to do for this one is to click on lesson 9 here and follow the instructions for that. For the online homework, you're going to miss out question 1. I was checking it earlier. So you're going to miss out question 1, but to be able to get the full results for this, you need to press mark it. Now it will come up with a sad face and say that you've got 0 out of 10, but I know that you're not doing that question. You then go straight on to question 2 and answer it for that and then press mark it. I hope that's reminded you of what to do. Please email me if you're needing any help with that, and I can do a video separately for you with anything that you're needing to know. Okay, on you go with that.